The status bar is located at the bottom of the application window and provides tips or hints on what to do. When you highlight an element or component, the status bar displays the name of the family and type. When no tool is active and no element is highlighted, the message click to select tab for alternates, control adds, shift unselects appears. Now, to understand how helpful the status bar can be, I will activate the wall tool that can be found in the architecture ribbon. Then I will move the cursor into the drawing area. If you look at the status bar, you can see that the message extension of wall appears every time the cursor is aligned with the boundaries of a wall, and the message click to enter wall start point appears when I move the cursor away. So either way, Revit gives me hints to help me proceed with the tool. At this point, I will press Escape to deactivate the wall tool, and I will activate the door tool instead. The door tool can be found in the architecture ribbon. Once I move the cursor into the drawing area, the message click on wall to place door appears. In addition, it informs me that by pressing the spacebar, the door changes direction. Overall, the information that appears in the status bar can prove extremely helpful while we are working in Revit.